So this is our new Galaxy J2 4G. With my boxes in there. So make for India. It's having ultra saving data, Airtel free 4G SIM inside with double data offer. So this is our food there. That's annoying this. This is our brand new J2. Wow. So see what accessories it's been there. It's guide. Charger. It's old. And it's headphone, so earphone. Quite nice. So let this be started. We need to insert a SIM card. It's been there. And this Jio has been given free. See Jio Hazaro. So it's fast browsing. It has 1.3 gigahertz quad processor. So don't forget to subscribe on Sarthak Sahu. This uploads. Please subscribe.